MARI stands for Machine Architecture that is really intuitive and easy. This architecture is made up of various components such as memory, CPU, I/O module, and others. With these components MARI creates a working computer. It uses von Neumann's stored program concept. The instructions are of fixed length. They are word addressable. MARI provides us with 12 address lines and hence, 4 KB main memory. There are 12 bits in the data in MARI. The fixed-length instructions are of 16 bits in which 4 bits are used for the operation code and 12 bits are used for the address. Similarly, the accumulator is of 16 bits in the MARI. The instruction register is also of 16 bits.
The memory buffer register of MARI is of 16 bits. The memory address register and the program counter are of 12 bits. The memory address register points out the locations in main memory where operands are located. The memory buffer register then carries out the task of retrieving the operands at that particular location. The arithmetic and logic unit performs the computation on the retrieved data. In this way, operands are fetched and processed. Similarly, the input and the output registers are of 8 bits in MARI.
That's it for the video, guys. If you liked it, don't forget to like and subscribe and comment any queries you have been facing.